In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Twitter. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Twitter and tap on your profile picture in the top left, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap into your account and then tap into Account Information. Tap on Username, and in here you can change your username. So I'm going to try a few things out here and it will tell me whether it will accept this username or not. So bear with me while I find a username that works. And there we go. All I have to do is hit done. That will automatically save my new username. And that's all that there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.